The market turning points is the real time indicator. It tells you in real time that where the market wants to go, and you have to just use this with a proper stop loss. All you just need is to take care of the liquidity. And my students who get this indicator from me, they first of all learn the liquidity from my YouTube channel playlist, and liquidity knowledge is given for free on my YouTube channel. And if you just open the playlist, there is one folder in the name of advanced trading course, and there is one lecture number 1 to lecture number 8. And if you cover those 8 lectures, then you will be very fine with your trading, because you are now going to use the market turning points indicator in a very expert way, because this will tell you in real time, like it is telling you on 5 minute nifty, that this was the buy opportunity. Okay, so let me show you. It's a real time, like this was the real time level that it has printed on the 5 minute chart, and the level get fixed on the second candle. Okay, now this level is already here, so it's a mixture of the static and the real time levels. Like this is the static level that is already here, but this level was drawn into the real time. So how you can get this indicator? If you visit my website fxmentorus.com, link is in the description. This indicator is listed on our website, and you can get this indicator through Telegram or request through email. So links are in the description. Okay, now let me tell you the other indicator, that is called the bank indicator. Now the bank indicator is very different, because here we work on the first retest. Like just look at this. This is the Euro USD chart, and now you can see this bank buying order is almost retested for the first time. And now if you just see this bank selling level, this is not retested yet. Okay, so what we do, if the price is here and it has done the retest, then we will set up the stop loss slightly, not very close, but slightly below the bank buying order, and we will take up by a chance on the first retest. When the price is coming for the second, third, and the fourth retest, this indicator level is invalid in that case. Like for example, when the price will come to the bank selling order, and if it gives me a bearish candle from here, then I will go and seek the sell position in that case, and I will be looking to short my position in that case. And this is the perfect indicator, because I have lot of stories from my students who have done a successful trading with the bank indicator with no problems. Just look at this one, USD CHF 5 minute. The first retest is happened, and now you can see your stop loss will be above that level, and now you can see USD CHF is going down, and this bank buying level is not retested for the first time yet, because when the price came up, this level was created. Okay, it has some static levels and some levels that appear after the move. So this is the level that appeared after the move, and now the price can come to retest that level, and this is how the bank indicator works. Okay, so now let me give you one more example. Look at this. This is the Euro AUD chart. The price came down, this level was created, that is called the bank selling level. Now what happened here? You can clearly see the price came for the first retest, and what you have seen, that the price simply, your AUD simply dropped from the same level. So the first retest, now you can use a different combination. In that case, you can wait for a bearish candle, you can see the bearish engulfing, you can see the pin bars, everything that is bearish, you can simply go with it, and you can go for that for the trade. Look at this. This is AUD JPY. The level was created, the price came for the first retest, your stop loss was just below, like this, the bank buying order, and look what happened on AUD JPY. It has completely changed the trend, and now you can see it's standing just at the peaks. Okay, so this is how the bank indicator works. And look at this, even on the Bitcoin 5 minute, this is the first retest, and look what happened, the price simply went up. So these are the two powerful indicators, the bank orders and the market running points, which works into the real time. And if you want to book the lifetime version of these both indicators or a single indicator, you can contact through Telegram or email. If you just open the description of this video, you will find all necessary details for contacting us. Thank you very much.